Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. This is going to be an unboxing of a brand new product by a company called Aiper Smart, A-I-P-E-R Smart, and this is their wireless rechargeable robot pool cleaner. First of its kind that I have seen. It will clean your pool without being connected to any type of power or your pool's vacuum pump. It all is contained inside the unit itself. You can see it runs for about 15 minutes on a 2600 mAh battery. So let's open it up and see what we find. As you would expect, you got some instructions here and some little handle or part that's going to go in there with some screws. Let you know how to use it, how it works. Aiper, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Robotic pool cleaner. And then let's see. This is going to this is your power supply, because it does recharge, so you charge it up and it runs completely wire free in your pool. So that's the charger. Alright, so we've got piece here, looks like it might be a handle or something, and then a piece here, that might be a hook, that might be how you pull it out of the water. Take that off, and there it is. This is it. This is your pool robot. Look at the bottom here. You can see it's got these wheels run, and then you've got your charging port. That's where you charge it. You got your power button. You've got your two places. This is where it's going to suck in that water and leaves and debris on the bottom of your pool to clean it out. And I don't know how it works yet because that's what the instructions are for. I'm not going to attempt, well, yeah, guess I will, since I came off that easy. Let's see if this lifts up. I can show you this as part of the unboxing. There you go. You can see that filter. It's a fine filter, so that's all your debris and stuff gets trapped inside there. And then your water filters through this very fine filter. And then all your debris and stuff will get trapped in here. So afterwards you take that and rinse that out. Pretty simple, cool design. And yeah, I'm assuming this is probably the handle that goes there, but I'm not gonna mess with that right this second. And then this, I'm assuming they made this to hook into your standard pool pole so that you can use that to then hook up and pull it out, which is a cool idea, smart idea, because every pool owner has a pole that they use for the net and the brush and stuff, and you can just pop that on there and use that to pull this out when it's done. Anyway, sorry there, hit the camera, but yeah, so this is it. This is what's in the box, and this is the pool robot. Seems like a fairly simple, but very cool idea. Good way to clean the pool without having to worry with the big heavy-duty robot just to pick up stuff off the bottom of the pool floor. And again, it is by Aiper Smart. It is available on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon, so you can click that link, jump over there, read what other people said about it, pick one up for yourself. Of course, in the future, I will be doing a full demo and review of this product, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you know anyone who might be interested, share this video with them. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, although those might be answered in the demo video, and I'm not going to have the answers until I do that anyway. So stay tuned for that. And that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.